Hi, my name is Dave Pastillo, founder of Emendee Technologies. At Emendee Technologies, we work with schools, churches, and businesses to save money on energy and telecommunication networks while simultaneously making improvements. So how do we do this? A good example of an energy conservation project can be found at Goodwill of Western and Northern Connecticut. At Emendee Technologies, we're building a brighter future. It all started with an energy conservation conversation. From there, we partnered with Artis Energy out of Middletown. Their team conducted the audits, and together we proposed the entire solution. The lighting levels are 10 to 25% brighter, the ambiance is drastically improved, and the annual savings will be nearly 1 million kilowatt hours per year at 19 of their locations. Emendee clients tend to remain Emendee clients. We have worked with over 100 Catholic organizations, schools, and churches, along with a number of banks, retail, medical offices, and manufacturers. So why not join the hundreds of business customers that have benefited from Emendee Tech services? Please check us out at emendeetech.com, and we look forward to hearing from you.